Hey guys, today I am going to share with you an amazing hack on Telegram that you don't find on much of the messaging apps. Let's say that we have sent a message and we have made a typo. So let me just quickly send that. So for example, I send this message and now I see that I like your videos. I need to edit that. So instead of sending an again message like this one to just show that we have made a typo, what we can do is directly edit that message. We have the option in Telegram and that's very cool. Just select this message here and we have this little pencil icon right here, guys. Just click on this pencil and directly we can just change this error and just resend, and it will just show that it was edited on this time. So that way you can just avoid all the typos and you can just directly edit the original message that you have. So I hope you found this video helpful, and we have started a complete series of Telegram tips and tricks. So if you want to join this amazing hacks that we have on Telegram, you can just join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.